Hello, I'm Paul Haynes from Zest, and I'd like to tell you how to get the best out of your garden timber products so you can enjoy them for many years to come. When your Zest garden furniture or product has been delivered, you may notice that there are slight variations in the colour of the wood. This is perfectly normal, as it's made from a natural material and no two pieces of timber are ever exactly the same. Each piece is a result of that tree's individual growth and the number of branches and the changing seasons throughout its life. All you need to do is let your product settle into its new home, and any variations will gently fade with time. As timber is an organic material, it will adapt to its new environment, and changes in temperature and humidity will cause the product to expand and contract. This natural movement will not affect the strength of the product or its beauty, but it can be useful to check the tightness of the screws and fixings around a month after assembly to accommodate any such movement, and from time to time after that. There's no need to treat your new Zest product with preservative. If your Zest product is pressure treated, the majority of these are already guaranteed for 10 years against rot.